Khata account has been set up successfully. Now our first task is to add some product here. Now if you can see, if I go to my purchase stock, now there are no entries, no data found. And if I go to the overall stock, there also we can see that no data is found because no product has been added to the inventory. So now what we need to do is we need to add one product here. So for that, what I'll do is in the total inventory stock option, I'll go to add product, and as you can see in the add product, we have an option for adding a new customer or selecting an existing customer. Then there are basic details like entering the purchase details like date, phone number, supplier, GST details, etc. And then we have the product details. In the product details, the system asks for the product name, model, color, RAM, HDD size, IMEI 1, and the second option here to select. Then we have the serial number, we have the phone ID, we have the battery percentage of that product. Then we have the category in the product type where we can add as a new product or we can add any product as a used product. At the bottom you can see we have the financial details where we can add, we can enter the purchase amount, GST details and the total amount. And we can also select the mode of payment, which would be cash or online, and which displays like how much you have paid and how much is the balance of the total. So overall action buttons are we can upload customer bill for the record keeping purposes in here, and we can have the option to add more products. Then we can save our product to update the stock and then generate a receipt for the transaction. Now the purpose for this is to streamline product addition for stock management, ensures tracking of purchases, payments and customer details, and also it facilitates accurate inventory and financial record keeping. So I'll just add one new customer here. Let's add Rohit Sharma. Let's add his company details. Let's click on save. Okay. So now the new customer has been added, and let's skip this details as it's not mandatory. We have the asterisk signs for the fields which are mandatory. Now let's add one product. Let's add iPhone 14 with 2024 model. It has a black color, and let's say it has 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. Let's add one IMEI number. Now out of these two fields, IMEI number and the serial number, only one is mandatory. So if we add only one, that is also enough. Now let's make this product category as a new product. Let's say the purchase amount is 50k and the mode of payment is cash. Now it's showing balance 50,000 as the payment has not been made yet. So let's say the mode of payment is cash and I have paid the full amount of 50,000. So the balance came 0. And so I've added all the details here. Now I'll just click on save product, and so the receipt has been generated for my Zudio 77 store, and I have all my product details here which I have added with the total amount which is 50k, and which I have cleared the amount paid is also 50k, so the balance amount is coming 0. As we can also, from the receipt panel, we can also print, download, email and share this. Let's close this panel, and as you can see now in the overall stock, if I open this accordion, you can see we have overall one stock. Its value is 50k, which we have added just now. Purchase stock one overall, as we have purchased one, and one today, as that purchase has been made today itself. Its value is 50K. And if I scroll to the bottom, you can see in the inventory option, you can see one product here which we have added. If I click on the product, you can see all the details here which we have added.